as I am showing you that the even or odd, at that time I am talking you that if the number is positive or negative, that also you can check, isn't it? That also you can check. So that the checking I have done for you. See here, the program that I have made from here, that you have seen it, that I am copying the program from there and I have made it the program for you, that if the number is greater than 0, then it is a positive number. If it is less than 0, then it is a negative number. Okay, so if you run it, run this particular thing, see, check how the thing is coming. Suppose I am giving 6. Okay, again if I run it, again if I run the program, okay, now I give it -5, number is a negative. Clear? So this is how you can these are the series. So those the program I have seen, they are the series. So check whether the number is odd or even, number is positive or negative, number is that 0 or not 0, isn't it? That also the same pattern of series you can use for here. If it is number is greater than 0, then it is positive. If then one another, if you can put elif you can put here, elif number equals to 0, then it is 0, and number less than, else what, else the number will be a negative number. So this way you can construct your program in any way, any pattern, very simple. They are the very small program, short program. This pattern of program you can find in your textbook also, whatever the textbook which the textbook you have and which the textbook you are using. So there you find all these different type of programs are there. They are the very short programs, and this particular program you can utilize and you can implement those programs for doing the programming. Okay, clear about the idea of doing this program? What program that I have done it, so I didn't close this two programs. Sorry, one program is for even and odd. If the number is completely divisible by 2 and there will be no remainder, how to find out no remainder? That means modulus 2. Okay, no remainder means modulus 2, then it is an even number, else the number is a odd number. Okay, so this is how you can find out the calculations of it. And next one I have done for you, that based on this only, based on this particular program only, I have done the next program. This is the next program which I have done. It is positive or negative. If the number is greater than 0, then it is positive, else the number is the negative. Very simple. That means you have to give the condition properly. As you give the condition, then you write it. Elif also you can use if you want to find out that it's 0 or not. That also you can do. I have said you again and again those things. So these are the small program, small implementation of the program. Those the program, from here I have derived the another program. Okay, here I have shown you, and here I have derived the another program from this particular program. Just a little change I have done. What? Num greater than 0. If you do num less than 0, just it will be reversed, isn't it? And if you use else if there, then means elif there, then it will be what? The thing will be 0. Elif you can use it, and else it is a negative number. Just one elif you can use for one more condition to implement that it is a 0 or not. Okay, that also you can do. There is no confusion should rise based on this particular structure of the program. The small pattern of the program, small implementation, small rules to be used, and see the rules is very interesting rules, very interesting rules. If you do want to program like that, you will get very much interested on this, because too much logic hasn't been used here. A simple logic, a plain logic has been used. First, the number has been taken from the user. After the number has been taken from the user, it is checked. Checking, one simple checking here, divided by 2. That means to find out the remainder. And here what? Checking just greater than 0 or not. Okay, so this is a simple checking has been done. After that, two write up is been given. One write up here even, else odd. Here number is positive, else the number is negative. Here, so these two write up has been given. Just a little bit change in the write up has been done, and as the write up change has been done, you can find it. The output will be generated. This is the output what will generated, as I have shown you the output here. This is your output. These are the outputs. Okay, so when I have given 6, when I have given 5, they are positive. When I give -5, that it became negative. Similarly in the odd even, when it is 4, it is given, it is